Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about cross stitch hand embroidery designs. If you love hand embroidery and creative art, this video is perfect for you. Cross stitch embroidery is one of the easiest and most popular embroidery styles. It uses small X-shaped stitches to create beautiful patterns and pictures. Even beginners can learn it very easily. Cross stitch designs come in many styles. One popular choice is floral cross stitch designs. Flowers look soft, colorful and timeless. You can stitch roses, sunflowers, leaves or small flower patterns for daily use. Another lovely idea is simple geometric designs. These designs use shapes and clean lines. They are easy to stitch and perfect for beginners. Geometric patterns look modern and neat. Cute animal cross stitch designs are also very popular. You can stitch birds, cats, butterflies and small animals. These designs are great for kids, items and home decor. If you like something meaningful, try text to quiet cross stitch designs. Words like love, home or family look beautiful in cross stitch. These designs make wonderful gifts for home decoration. Traditional and stylish cross stitch patterns are a great choice. These designs often use rich colors and detailed patterns. They look beautiful on cushion covers, wall frames and table runners. Cross stitch embroidery can be done on many items. You can stitch on fabric, pillow covers, bags, clothes or wall hangings. It adds a handmade and perfect touch. Choosing the right fabric is very important. Always use good quality thread. Cotton embroidery flows give the best results. Try to keep your stitches the same size and direction. Cross stitch embroidery is very relaxing and peaceful. It helps reduce stress and improves focus. You can enjoy it in your free time and create something beautiful. In conclusion, cross stitch embroidery designs are easy, creative and enjoyable. With a little practice, you can make stunning handmade pieces. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.